One thing that I've been doing lately is draw a face in a really simple way with a pencil and then draw on top of it with another colored pencil and change the face completely with just a few strokes. This is a really good exercise because you start to notice, oh, if I just move the eyebrows a little bit or put the eyes closer together or make the nose a little higher, the face changes completely. And you've seen so many people in your life that you recognize immediately what type of face you're looking at.
These are not based on any person in particular. That way you can see how much a face can change with just a few adjustments, and also after that with just one color, and just with that one color you can get a pretty kind of realistic face. So I tried using a lot of expression lines, none at all, and just changing it up to kind of grasp how a face works. This was my first attempt at trying to draw different types of faces. What I first did was just observe people. I tried doing one where the space from the mouth to the chin is bigger, then a lot shorter, making the face a little chubbier, then slimmer with a little bit of an angle. Like a lot of illustrators, I think, I started drawing manga, and it so happens that I wanted to break away from that a little bit, but also there are still things I really like about the style that manga uses, like the simplified look and everything. So I've been trying to find a balance between very realistic and super simplistic. So I don't want it to look very cartoony, but I don't want it to look like the opposite. So I'm just trying to practice and do different expressions and types of faces, because that's the thing when I was drawing manga, that you could get that effect that all of the faces look the same. That you draw faces and faces, and the only thing that changes are either the size of the eyes or the hair. So I wanted to break away from that. So these are some of the things that I've been doing, and maybe it will help you if you want to practice drawing different kinds of faces. And I'm sorry if I sound weird, I've been sick for a couple of weeks. This is my second video on drawing people. These are some of the exercises I've been doing to better my skills at drawing. This video is gonna be about mostly faces. My last video, if you haven't seen it, is about drawing like the human figure and what I do. And the reason why I'm doing this is, I think I've told you, but I'm doing a graphic novel. That's my project for my master's. I'm studying a master's in visual communication, and it's a little bit about, well, the central theme is about people moving to different places. So partly it's going to be me moving here to Sweden and stories from other people as well, but it has a lot of characters and have to portray emotions, and I think it's very different to do a single illustration that's static to different frames of people doing different expressions and poses and stuff.
So the main thing has been to practice every day, and whenever I'm feeling super uninspired, the final thing I was gonna share with you is that I sometimes draw from reference. I try to make it quick and not to copy it very precisely, but mostly synthesize the movement as best I can, or the position, and try to maybe use colors that I usually don't use. And here I used colored pencils, which are not my usual thing, so I try to like practice a few things that might come in handy but are not my traditional way of doing illustrations. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful in some way, and see you soon. Bye!